In today's video, I will guide you on how to increase video RAM graphic without any software on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. With graphic RAM on your device, you're going to enjoy more of game opportunity on your device. Video on your device will run perfectly okay. So if you want to improve the graphic RAM of your device without the use of third-party apps, then sit back and watch this video to the end. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that you subscribe to this channel. So come to this start menu, right click on it, click on device manager. Once you click on device manager, come to the button that says display adapter. Open it up. Now here you should see Intel HD graphic. Then right click on it and update the drivers. Choose search automatically for drivers. Wait, and you can see that the best driver for your device are already installed. Then this is a very good one because your device is running on the latest version of the graphic software. The next you have to do is to come to any place on the desktop like this, right click, then click on display settings. Once you click on display settings, scroll down until you get to this button that says advanced display. Click on it. Now once you click on it, then here you have display adapter properties. Click on it. Now once you click on it, it brings to this interface. You have access to this. Now take a look at what you see here. My device is running on 16 gig RAM, but here total available graphic memory is just 8 gig. Then dedicated video memory is what? 128 megabytes. This is very small. So we want to improve this. This is what you want to improve. That is why you need to watch this video to the end, because henceforth, if you miss any step, you might not get it correctly. So let's close this, then close this one. Now, go to this place, right click, and click on run. Or you combine Windows plus R to bring out this run button. Then here, type in regedit. Click on the enter button on the keyboard, or you click on this OK. Then it comes out with this yes of a thing. Click on it. Now once you click on it, you have yourself at this place. Let me expand this place so that you see it clearly. Now go ahead and click the arrow at the back of each key local machine. Then click on software. Then once you click on software, scroll down until you get to Intel. You can see it here. Click on this arrow. Now here, right click on this, then right click on it, then click on new, then click on key. Now it open this space for you. Now type in GMM in capital letter. Now you tap on GMM in capital letter, come to this place, right click again, over your arrow to this place, your mouse to this place rather, then come to do word 32. Click on it. Once you click on it, it comes out like this. You have to name this, then type in the exact word, dedicated segment size, together, no space. Start with dedicated, with which is capital D, then for segment capital X, then size capital X, then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, then the next thing is you need to double click on this. It comes out like this. Then you right click, you click on modify, it comes out like this. Now come to this hexagon, click on it. Then here you want to change a value here. But guys, I've prepared a calculated way to get the right value you need to put into this place based on your device RAM. So RAM and value, if your device is 2 gig RAM, put 256 value. If your device is 4 gig RAM, enter 512. If your device is 8 gig RAM, enter 1024. If your device is 16 gig RAM, enter 2048. So my device is 16 gig RAM, so I will enter 2048. Now, once you enter 2048, click on OK. You can see it has come to this place, and you can see equivalent to what is here now. Click on this place. What you have to do now for these settings to be effective on your device, you have to restart your device. So that is all, guys. Let me know if you're able to achieve this in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share. Your comment is very important. See you soon, guys, on our next video.